Ever feel like starting a company involves navigating a financial labyrinth? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're tackling two puzzling terms: the aggregate nominal value and shares. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a company capital whiz. Well, let's get into it, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make forming your company like putting together a perfectly satisfying jigsaw puzzle. Let's face it, understanding company finances can feel like a different story. That's why we're here to break down those tricky terms for you, starting with aggregate nominal value. So what is aggregate nominal value, or ANV? Imagine ANV as the total face value of all of the shares your company issues. Think of it like a foundation of your company's capital. Here's the breakdown. Shares. These are units of ownership in your company. Each share represents a slice of the pie, a portion of the company. Nominal value. This is a fixed amount assigned to each share. It doesn't necessarily reflect the current market value of the share, but it plays a role in the company registration. So let's put this into action. Suppose you decide to issue 1,000 shares, and each share has a nominal value of £1. In this case, your ANV would be £1,000. That's 1,000 shares times £1, the nominal value. By the way, a pro tip for you is that companies often choose a low nominal value, like £1 for example, to keep the ANV down. This can be helpful when registering your company. Now, here's where your company formation agent, like Your Company Formations, can step in. We can help you determine an appropriate ANV based on your specific circumstances. We also handle all the paperwork related to the share issuance, saving you valuable time and effort. Okay, so you've got ANV all figured out. But wait, there's more. Companies can issue different types of shares, each with varying rights and privileges. Here are some common types. Ordinary shares. These are the most common type. They carry voting rights and the right to receive dividends, which is essentially a portion of the company's profits. Preference shares. These offer preferential treatment to shareholders, such as a guaranteed dividend before ordinary shareholders receive any. Remember, choosing the right share structure is crucial for your company's governance and future growth. An experienced company formation agent can guide you through the options and ensure your share structure aligns with your business goals. And this is where our expertise at Your Company Formations comes in real handy. Now let's talk about capital structure. It's basically the makeup of your company's financial resources. Here's how ANV and shares fit in. Equity capital. This refers to the money invested in your company by shareholders. It comes from issuing shares and is reflected in your ANV. Debt capital. This is money borrowed from your company, like loans or bonds. A healthy capital structure balances equity and debt. Equity is typically considered more stable, while debt can fuel growth faster, but comes with interest payments. Consulting with a company formation agent can help you determine the optimal mix for your business. So by now you understand how ANV and shares play a crucial role in your company's capital. But navigating these financial aspects can be daunting. That's where yourcompanyformations.co.uk comes in. We can help you with deciding on an appropriate ANV and share structure, understanding different types of shares, completing all the necessary paperwork for share issuance, and advising on optimal capital structure. So there you have it, aggregate nominal value and shares, demystified. Remember, these concepts form the foundation of your company's capital structure. By working with a company formation agent like us at Your Company Formations, you can ensure that your ANV and share structure are tailored to your business needs. We'll guide you through the process, saving you time and hassle. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your own business? Let yourcompanyformations.co.uk be your partner in this exciting journey. Check out the links in the description and make sure to like this video. That way YouTube knows to show you more content that you're interested in. Thanks for watching.